Chapter 10 of Haroun and the Sea of Stories.
Haroun's wish.
Haroun and If are standing at the top of the stairs.
Katam Shud ordered the big switch off to taunt his captives by showing them the extent of his power.
Once they exit the stairway, Katam Shud is waiting for them on a high catwalk. Shud says that they are poison blenders. We must make a great many poisons because every story needs to be ruined in a different way.
The Katam Shud points out the refrigeration machine that keeps the poisons at the necessary temperature. As Katam Shud is explaining what the generator does, through an open port hole, bizarre, rooty tentacles began to enter the dark ship.
Molly formed himself into a more familiar Molly shape. Then the alarm was sounded. Intruder, intruder alert.
Then Katam Shud screams, "Switch on the darkness!" Molly then jumps on the generator and throws vines on it. Haroun ran as fast as he could and took a bit of light out of his mouth and put it over his head. Then he reached the cupboard containing the protective clothing.
Then Haroun puts on the protective clothing and jumps into the water and returns to the surface.
Haroun comes up right next to Butt, the hoopoe.
Then Haroun takes out the wishing water. Haroun wishes that this moon, Kahani, to turn so that it's no longer half in light and half in darkness.
I wish to turn this very instant. Then the moon turned quickly.
Haroun runs up the boardwalk. He sees Molly and If suspended over the poison cauldrons by ropes.
Why is there so much laughter? Oops. Then the ropes broke. Then they get onto Hoopoe. After a while, he blows a fuse. Molly says, "I'll push for a while." After a while, Molly could push no longer. Then Goopy and Bogha came up beside them. Then they pulled them a while longer before getting tired. Then all of them were left stranded in the old zone.
That was horrible.